Y'all, welcome to the Cooking Journal. Hey, man, I know y'all waiting on me. Hey, man, it's going to be an old hunter's recipe here. Now, I was going to do this one outside, but the weather was kind of bad. I like to do it on open fire. Now, today we're going to do some Texas squirrel stew. Now, I already know we got animal lovers, we got animal rights and stuff like that. I know we got vegetarians and vegans and all that there. I'm going to put it like this here. I came back, I'm you know what I'm saying, I'm Gen X. I came back at a time, you know what I'm saying, that's what we did, and I still do it every once in a while. Now, believe me, when I go hunting, if I kill something, I'm going to eat it. I'm not going to eat nothing that I'm not going to kill.
Well, Cooking Journal, are you going to kill me?
Anyway, come on, let me show y'all how y'all put that squirrel together. Now, look here. Got the squirrel, so I left the foot on so you know it's a squirrel. Now, we're going to use some milk, eggs, butter to make our cornbread with. Now, my seasoning, I got salt, I got beef bouillon, I got my roux seasoning, I got my cayenne pepper, I got my black pepper, and my garlic and onion powder right here. Now, we're gonna have some carrots, potatoes, and right here I got a blend. This is a pepper blend. It's got the onions, red peppers, and the green peppers all in one. And man, you talking about a real good stew. Now, you can still use this recipe and use beef, pork, or chicken with that too. Now, you ain't just gotta have no squirrel. But this is my Texas squirrel stew. And man, I like it. Hey, let's get down with it. I'll show you how to do it. Cooking Journal. That's somebody. Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Now, I got my cornbread mix right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on in the oven. It's just for me anyway. Now, I got my squirrel seasoned down a little bit. I just put a little bit on it. But you're gonna drop it off in this little water here. I got the water kind of hot. I ain't got it boiling yet. And this is for one person. I'm putting little onions, bell pepper, and green peppers in there, but I might add a little bit more later. But like I say, it's only one squirrel for one person. Now, what I didn't tell you, you're gonna need some vinegar in there because it's wildlife. So I ain't gonna add but like 2 caps. 1, right, 2. Now, since it's only one, you just want to season. I ain't gonna add my carrots and potatoes until later. So I'm gonna add just a little salt because I got salt seasoned on the meat. Just a little of my cayenne pepper. All right, I'll put it like that. Okay. Not too hot. A little black pepper. A little of my beef bouillon. A little of my onion powder. And a little of my garlic powder. All right. Now y'all come back and I'm gonna show you what to do. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook these potatoes, carrots cut up. But I want to let this ball till you get about, I'll say about 25 to 30% done. Then I'll start adding my carrots and potatoes. All right, Cooking Journal, ask somebody. All right, welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. Ooh, you got to love cooking. I love cooking. I'm a cook freak, man. I just love. Let me show y'all something. Now look here. Now, check this out. I got my squirrel ball right here. See there? Got it. Just like I want it. Just like that there. It's tender. Stick your fork in there. Now, since I got that there going, I'm gonna take my carrots and potatoes I got cut up. I'm gonna put them in there. All right. Put them all in there. All right. Now, put the stock back on it. Hold on a second. Come around. All right. Get them going. Now, my roux here. I'm browning my roux. You want to get it brown, just like that. Woo, man, I love this stuff. Now, I took some of that water from my squirrel, and I'm going to use this here to kind of, there we go, like that there. And that's what I'm going to make my gravy on. Then you also want to make sure you add your roux to it, roux seasoning. Right there, that should be good. Add that, you brown it. And you're going to put this here off in there. That's going to thicken your stew up. They're going to thicken it up real good. And as you can see over here, I got my raggedy ass cornbread ready. I only made one for just me, so it's all good. Got that raggedy ass cornbread ready. Get this roux ready. Now look at that. That's that good old brown chocolate color. That's what you want right there. You're going to add it in there. When your potatoes get about done, and your carrots, you want to add this here to it to help thicken it. And you want to use that same broth from it. because I already got the seasoning there with it. Whew, it's gonna be good. Cooking General, now get y'all ass out of here right now and let me finish this. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. I got that roux finished. That's like that dark color you want. Now, I forgot to tell you, I'm getting excited about this cooking. I went back over the footage. I didn't tell you. I added a little oil, flour, and I added my, right here, made by Tony's. It's a roux seasoning. And then you just get it brown. You just keep stirring until you get it about like that there. And I might not use all this here, but all you want to do is put a little bit at a time when your stew get done. Make sure you get it thickened the way you want it. If you want it thin, you know what I'm saying, you ain't got to even make this here. But it just kind of gives it more of a base. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Oh, come in, let me show y'all this. Oh, bam! Man, check it out. Now, see that? Look at that. I got that just right. Now, I'm gonna start adding my roux to it. And I've just made this enough. I know this enough just for this stew. You might have to judge yours, but I got mine just right. You want to put that off in there. That's gonna give this base. Now, I'm gonna get this stirred up. I don't want to mess my potatoes up because I got them just right. You want to get them potatoes so they're not too done, but because they're gonna cook it just a little bit more, and you get them just right. You don't want them falling apart on you, or it ain't no good stew. And y'all come back, and I'm gonna show you. Whoo, man! But ask somebody. Hey, whoo! Alrighty, we finally at the conclusion. Man, come in, let me show you what I'm working with. Check this out here. Man, now, this is a squirrel stew. Now, as you can see, you want your potatoes kind of firm, but still, look at that, tender. Just like that. That's how you want it. Your carrots, you want them firm, but still tender, like that. See? And you want the squirrel firm, but still tender. Now, check this out here. Look here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See? Come off. And then you got your cornbread here. And what you want to do, you want to like do that there like we used back in the old days. And put that in there. Some potato. Man. That take you back. And with a good cold beer, I feel like I'm a teenager. Cooking General.